Hello, listen, I got something for you. All of those so-called car mechanics that are online, and I agree, I love all of you, but this is beating every last one of you. I went on through the videos for the last 2 years, and I'm telling you, they don't have it on there. This is a 93 Lincoln Town Car, and I got the heat on. Let me see something. You can't even hardly hear the engine running. It's 20-some odd years old. It runs beautifully, except for one thing. It's coming up on a change that it's going to need done to a thermostat. Let me show you something. Listen to this engine, but it's going to need a EGR valve replacement. But look where they put it at. And I haven't seen that one video shows how to get down in there to that EGR valve. That's behind all this stuff here. It's in the back. Let's set the engine. It's not shaking or anything. Quiet, runs smooth, but EGR valve got there. I did all the work here. All this right here is the lines, the alternator, all this here, the max airflow sensor, throttle position sensor, fuel pressure. You get the gist of it. Everything runs great, except for the EGR valve. Can't get it off. Took it to 2 different shops. They said, well, I don't want the job. They said, I don't want the job. This is a 93 Lincoln Town Car, and I guarantee there's not one video out there, there's not one person that can put a video up that shows how to remove that EGR valve behind there. Not one. I took it to 2 shops, professional shops, but they can't do it. All right, later.